students at South Rockhopper High always look forward to the exciting and valuable lessons learned in Mr. Novak's class. Today, he's extolling the virtues of Seizmik Fender Flares. Smart kids like Susan just love to hit a murky hole and sling mud everywhere. She doesn't need the hassle of a big mess after her ride, and that's why she's rocking the full protection and deflection of a Seizmik HDPE Fender Flare kit. And Tommy? Well, let's just say he hasn't put 2 and 2 together yet. He still has to wear full-body coveralls and spends hours after a ride, cleaning mud out of every nook and cranny on his UTV. Do you know how hard it is to get mud out of a letterman's jacket? Well, Tommy knows all too well. If only he'd paid more attention in class. Mr. Novak says that Seizmik Fender Flare kits are the cat's pajamas. They outperform and outlast other flares because their 3-dimensional structural profile affords greater rigidity and better styling. Thicker HDPE material incorporates reinforcing structural tabs to keep shape and strength even when loaded with mud. Anodized aluminum hardware delivers years of maintenance-free performance, and better inner wheel well coverage provides additional interior cabin protection. And these kits are versatile with everything you need and want. They fit OEM standard and extended stock flares and feature accent branding for added styling. The kit includes 2 front and 2 rear flares plus hardware, and they're made in the USA. Yep, you heard it right. These are not your grandma's flares. You know the kind. Wimpy flares that allow a day of adventure to absolutely drown your vehicle and its occupants with silt and slop. What a nightmare! Seizmik flares are stout, badass, 3D high-density reinforced polyethylene extensions that create body protection for people who like to get down and dirty on the trail but not bring it home afterward. So be like Susan and ride like a savage. And tell a friend like Tommy to get with the program, because you've got better things to do than spend your life cleaning up after yourself. Everyone knows that some mud is cool, but too much is just, well, unnecessary. Tommy, you goober! Leave the mud on the trail. Demand Seizmik.